While the fires glow, we gather around the blaze. Shadows dance on faces in this warm embrace. Guitars strum softly under a starlit sky, singing songs of freedom as the embers fly. Oh, by the campfire light, we ignite the night, hearts burning bright in the flickering sight. With the flame so high, reaching for the sky, we come alive by the campfire light. Stories of old whisper through the trees, the echoes of the past carried by the breeze. Laughter fills the night in this sacred place. Together we're untamed in this wild space. Oh, by the campfire light, we ignite the night, hearts burning bright in the flickering sight. With the flame so high, reaching for the sky, we come alive by the campfire light. As the fire dies and the night grows cold, we'll carry these moments like stories told. In the light of dawn, we'll find our way, but the spirit of the fire forever will stay. Oh, by the campfire light, we ignite the night, hearts burning bright in the flickering sight. With the flame so high,